Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So it's that time of the year where I have to travel and join ship. So this time I will be joining my vessel from Ecuador in South America. And in this video I would show you what I usually pack before I travel to join ship. So let's get started. So this is my primary check-in luggage. This is a Carlton bag that I purchased recently. I prefer this kind of lock over the zipper ones because zipper ones are more easier to open. So I will also buy an additional hand carry duffel bag to supplement my existing bags, because I will be using that duffel bag to put my espresso machine, the one you saw in the recent video. And because I'm scared to put my espresso machine in check-in bags, because we all know how rough the baggage handling can get at airports. So let's get started. I have to get to the city and buy some items that I will be carrying myself for next 6 months. Let's go. So I'm here at Decathlon and I need to buy some workout equipment which I will be taking with me to ship. So let's go. So everyone bought this foam roller and now I'm on my way back home. Let's go. Hey everyone, so I just got back home and there's a lot to be packed. Let me show you my luggage here and let's get to packing right away. So this is the new hand carry duffel bag that I got. These are some of the nuts and dry fruits, popcorn, the foam roller. So I need to pack everything. Let me open this up. So guys, this is the empty bag. Let me start packing. I will put some of the hard clothes here at the base, and then I'll be putting rest of my things on top. So guys, this is a luggage organizer. I've put all my t-shirts, shirts and trousers in this one, which I'll be carrying. This second organizer is my innerwear is inside this, innerwear on this side, socks on this side, and both of these organizers will go here right behind this pocket. So guys, my luggage is ready. As you can see, I've packed my exercise equipment, shoes, spare toiletries inside this. My clothes are inside this. The only thing remaining to pack is my toiletries, which I will transfer tomorrow exactly before I leave. So let me give you a brief overview of what I packed for a 5 to 6 month voyage. In terms of clothing, I packed like 3 pieces of lower wear, 2 jeans and 1 cargo pants. As far as top wear goes, I've packed like 4 polo t-shirts and 2 shirts and around 3 normal round neck t-shirts, which I'll be wearing inside accommodation or during whenever I go to gym. And other than that, I've packed like 2 pairs of shoes and one for which I'll be using when I'll be traveling, and one is one for spare use. And as far as innerwear goes, since I'm an engineer, I work in engine rooms, it's always safe to carry at least 8 to 10 pieces of innerwear, whichever type you're comfortable with, and also a lot of socks. So I've carried like 7 to 8 pair of socks, because if you're an engineer or working in engine room, your socks will be used very roughly. So it is always better to buy like 7 to 8 to 10 pairs of socks. And if there's still space in your luggage, you can add some of your favorite snacks or condiments, whichever you like. Maybe if your vessel is not trading in Asia, if it's trading in Latin America, Europe, these snacks will be hard to come by. So it's always better to pack extra. Probably your ticket will have at least 30 to 40 kilos weight limit, so you don't have to worry about that. You could grab all the extra snacks and then just pack it into an extra bag. Hey everyone, so it's our time to leave now. So I have 2 check-in bags now. I swapped the smaller hand carry with this one, and I will be carrying my espresso machine in this small handbag. And whenever you're traveling, it's better to have a small toothpaste with you so that you can brush during your long flights. Not all airlines provide toothbrushes or toothpastes in flight.